my husband and his best friend, they actually bidded for a food truck on our first sale at home.
Yeah.
And then that night, when the bid finished, we found out that they
You
won
guys
the
got
bid.
it. Oh,
So we're like, oh crap, now we need the money.
we're in it now.
He's like, I've always wanted to have a food truck.
You just,
Oh, no,
you're
we've
just
got a
walking
food
by the
truck
auction and be like, yep. No one's gonna buy it. No one's gonna buy it. The next minute you win, bro. Oh my God.
I'm not going to win.
We
Yeah.
won? What?
But we were happy. Like I was in happy tears.